Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ASUS Zenfone 9 and let me share with you how to enable the eye comfort mode on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to turn on the eye comfort. We will begin with actually the customization of this mode, and after that I'll show much faster access to it. So let's open the settings, and here we have to tap on the display. As you can see, on the third position we've got the option Night Light, which is basically the name of the eye comfort mode in this device. So we can turn it on without the customization just by tapping on the switcher here. And as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or even amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then this mode is totally for you. So you can leave it like this if you want to, but you can also customize it. So let's simply tap on Night Light, and as you can see, we've got two different options thanks to which we can personalize the Night Light. So first of all, let's take a look at the intensity. So here by this switcher we can change the intensity, the level of this mode. By going to the left we can make it much cooler, and as you can see it's almost invisible right now, and by going to the right, much warmer. It's almost orangish, I would say. So of course you can set it just like you want to, just pick the option which is most comfortable for you. What's more, here we've got the schedule option, and after tapping on it you can see that we've got three different options. We've got the option None, which simply means that we can turn on and off the night light manually. We can turn it on at custom time or from sunset to sunrise. So after picking the sunset and sunrise option, your device will decide when both are, probably network based or location based. And by picking the custom time, you can see that you can simply pick the start time and the end time. So let me pick, for example, 12 and end time at 6 AM, whatever. As you can see, immediately actually the night light has been applied. It is of course because we are between the start and end time. But let me turn it off actually. And basically this is the whole customization of this mode. And if you'd like to have much faster access to it, all you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar, unroll it fully, and here we have to swipe in order to find the proper option. As you can see, the night light will be on the, let's say, third page, so not at the very bottom but at the very end of those options. And basically right now it is turned on, so in order to turn it off, just tap on it, and as you can see the device will immediately go back to its normal state. The screen will actually get back. Of course you can turn it on whenever you want to, just by tapping on this button again. So basically that's all. This is how to enable the eye comfort mode in your ASUS Zenfone 9. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.